What's going on YouTube? GeoSnow right here today with some bad news. The beta profiles website has shut down. We're gonna get into that in a couple of seconds. This video is brought to you by Starsoft KeyPass, which allows you to bypass the iCloud activation on second-hand devices that you bought, for example the iPhone 10, 8, 7 and so on. This works all the way up to 14.8.1, and if you got a device for which you don't have the proper SIM card, or you forgot your Apple ID and password, or you bought it second-hand and it's locked, definitely check it out for Windows and Mac OS in the links below. So iOS 16, yes, a lot of new features with iOS 16, the new lock screen, the new battery indicator and stuff like that. So a lot of reasons why you should update iOS 16, and at the same time a lot of reasons why you shouldn't, because if you want a jailbreak, this might just be one of the worst versions to be on. But yeah, if you want to try iOS 16, normally you would have to be a registered Apple developer here on the Apple Developer Portal. This way you can get iOS 16 and iPadOS 16, which is basically a beta profile that you install on your device, and that will allow you to get the beta. That is the only legal way in order to get the developer beta. Now for years there has been a website called betaprofiles.com which basically mirrored those little couple of kilobyte profiles that allowed you to get the beta. However, a couple of days ago it shut down. It's no longer available, and that's because of one thing: Apple. So Beta Profiles posted a couple of days ago, in fact like 2 days ago, quote, "Hi everyone, I just wanted to say that Beta Profiles will be shutting down soon. I just don't want to get into a legal battle with Apple. Beta Profiles social media will remain a place to discuss beta updates. Thanks guys so much." So the once popular betaprofiles.com is no more. Truth to be told, it was indeed infringing on Apple's copyright, so this is not something that should be surprising. Apple essentially took legal matters against them, and yeah, they won. They actually scared them away, probably through a cease and desist or something like that. But the website is no more. And now you're going to ask me, well, will the profiles that I have installed from them still work? The answer is yes. If you installed the iOS 16 beta profile, it will continue to work. You will continue to get updates. However, do know that the only official and legal way to get the beta profile is through the developer portal on apple.com. Now, why is that important? Because this is a paid profile. In order to be able to get those profiles for iOS 16 or iPadOS 16 or watchOS or macOS, you have to be a registered Apple developer, and that costs $99 per year per individual. The access to those profiles is not free. Essentially what Beta Profiles was doing is to pirate those profiles, which is of course against the law, and it's definitely against their developer portal terms and conditions, and as such Apple finally had enough and they decided to threaten legal action, which of course this person running the website did not want. So it's still possible to get the beta profiles, but only legally and officially, and that's really the only way I recommend it to do it, because at first you shouldn't be running iOS 16 beta unless you are a registered developer, because it's full of bugs. It's not a complete iOS version, it drains the battery like crazy, some features are not working, there are known bugs in it because it's a beta version designed for developers. There is also a public version of those betas that everybody can get. Yes, they do get released long after the developer betas are released, but those are free. So yeah, while it's tragic that the beta profiles has shut down, it's not surprising at all. Apple never liked this website, and it's understandable why. They were in direct copyright infringement to Apple, so yeah. It's unfortunate, but the alternative would have been legal action, which probably that person doesn't want. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I'm GeoSnow. Till the next time, peace out.